Welcome to this Hyper theme tutorial. In today's video, we'll show you how to use Shopify Plus and Hyper theme to create a smooth B2B shopping experience with smart quantity rules and tiered discounts, all natively, no third-party apps needed. Let's get into it. Let's set up your product catalog in Shopify. From your Shopify admin, go to Markets, then click Catalogs. You can either choose an existing catalog, or click Create Catalog to start a new one. In the title field, enter a name for your catalog. Next to the title, select the publishing status, either active or draft. In the Set Prices in field, choose the currency you want for this catalog. Once everything looks good, click Save. Now, let's choose which products to include. By default, all products available in your store are included. To remove a specific product, simply toggle the checkbox next to its name, then click Exclude from Catalog. And that's it. Your catalog is now set up with selected products and pricing. Before applying any B2B pricing, you first need to set up a company profile in Shopify and assign it to a catalog. First, on the catalog page, select which customers this catalog applies to. You can choose markets or company locations. In this case, we've selected company locations. Then, from the Shopify admin page, go to Customers, then click Companies. Click Add Company. Give it a name, and assign it to a market, for example, Vietnam. Click Save. Now, assign customers to that company, they can shop on behalf of that business. Click the Add a Customer button on the right-hand panel labeled Customers. Search for an existing customer or create a new one. Choose company and access level, like ordering only, and check the box to send them a notification that customers can start placing B2B orders. Next, we connect this company to the right catalog, which defines what products they see and at what prices. That's it, your company is now linked to a catalog and ready for B2B ordering. Let's start by setting quantity rules. Quantity rules help control how your products are ordered, perfect for enforcing minimums, pack sizes, or inventory restrictions. Start from the catalog page in your Shopify admin. To apply rules to the entire product or all variants of a product, simply hover over and click the plus button under the Rules column. To apply the rule to a specific variant, click the drop-down arrow next to the product name, then click the plus button next to the variant you want to edit. Now you can set your rules. Increment lets you control how many items are purchased at a time, for example, in multiples of 2 or 5. Minimum is the fewest number of units that can be ordered. Maximum is optional, but lets you set an upper limit. Click Done when you're finished, and be sure to save the catalog afterward. Now, let's add volume pricing, perfect for rewarding bulk buyers. You can apply rules to the entire product or a specific variant by hovering over the entire product and clicking the plus button under the Rules column. In the pop-up, click Add Quantity Price Breaks to start defining your pricing tiers. For example, 4 units at $19 each, 8 units at $16 each, and 12 units at $13 each. You can add up to 10 price breaks per variant. Make sure your quantities align with the increment and minimum values you set earlier. Click Done, and don't forget to save your changes. Keep in mind, all rules and pricing apply per variant, not across the entire product. So, if your product comes in different sizes or colors, each one must independently meet the rules. And that's it. You've now set up a complete B2B flow using the Hyper theme on Shopify Plus, including company profiles, catalog assignments, quantity rules, and volume-based pricing. This setup gives your wholesale customers a tailored, friction-free experience while helping you scale efficiently. Was this helpful? Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Shopify tutorials and hyper theme tips. Got a question or want to see another B2B feature? Drop it in the comments. We read every one. Thanks for watching.